Alright y'all, so in this video I'm gonna show y'all 5 things I hate about my Dodge Charger. Stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing I would say that I hate, like the first thing that a lot of people won't have this problem, but I only had the problem because my tires are wide. If y'all can see, I did convert this into a wide body. So a quick backstory on this car: it is a 2015 Dodge Charger Pursuit. So it was a state trooper car. So what I did was I put a wide body on it, and then I put these. Hold on. Let me come to the front. I have 315, 35, 20 on my tire setup at the moment. So when I do make turns and just stuff of that nature, it does rub. I'm gonna see if I can show y'all. Decent little sound when I start it up.
Afternoon. Thanks for being with me today and continue to enjoy my happy Thanksgiving.
So right here it rubbed. On this left one it rubbed in the back. So what it rubbed like in this area. If y'all can see it because it's kind of dark outside. And then on this side, this is the right side, it rubbed in the front. I'm gonna put a flashlight on this so I can show y'all a little better. If y'all can see. So it's just with the big tires and the setup I'm running, that's the only reason it's rubbing. And because this is an all-wheel drive Charger, and I got rear drive wheels on it, so that's another reason why it's rubbing like that. But yeah, that's the first thing I don't like about my Charger. And then let's get into the second thing. Alright, so the second thing I don't like about my Dodge Charger RT Pursuit is the shifter in the back of the wheel. Y'all know how on the regular Chargers y'all have the shifter down here, like in this area. Let me turn the flashlight on because it's just very dark at the moment. But y'all know how y'all got the shifter down here on the regular Charger, like the civilians. My shifter is behind my wheel, and it has the auto stick, so you can put it in manual mode by pressing this button, and then upshift by pressing this up and then this negative one. So you can still upshift and downshift with it back here, but it's just like, it's just annoying that when every time you're trying to drive and do what you got to do, say you only got one hand, you gotta come all the way up here. You can't go all the way down here like on the regular civilian cars. But that'll be the second thing I don't like about my Dodge Charger Pursuit. Alright, so the third thing, since we're inside already, the third thing I dislike about my Pursuit is it doesn't come with paddle shifters. Like most RTs, I don't know if they all do, but I know most of them do. And even some like V6 Dodge cars come with paddle shifters behind the wheel. And mine just doesn't come with any, just because it was a Pursuit. And yeah, so they don't like bringing them on the Pursuits for some reason. I don't know what it is. But that is the third thing I dislike about my Pursuit, man. Let's go on to the fourth thing. Alright, so the fourth thing I dislike about my Dodge Charger RT Pursuit is the sound. Like, so I'm gonna put it on my phone, I'm gonna play some music, but it just don't sound like the stereos in these ones specifically don't sound good at all. Like, I don't know what they did to Pursuits. I think it's just because of police car that they ain't give you like the good like speakers. I don't know if that's all RTs or if that's just mine in general. But I'm finna turn some music on so y'all can hear how it sound.
Hey, I say, look, hey. Pick it up cause a nigga been slacking. All the money shit, I gotta have it. I cannot put my hands on a bitch. With consent, I just fuck with passion. Caught a high now, nigga like chopping. Help me fight with the demons, I'm battling. Little niggas don't want no cheese.
I hope that show y'all like kinda how it is. I hope that show y'all like kinda how it is. I know y'all not here with me, so y'all won't be able to hear it like all the way on. But yeah, so that's another thing I don't like the stereo. If y'all do have one of these, y'all know what I mean. Cause like if you hop in something else, it'd be way better. Like in here, it's just, I don't know, just they didn't put like good speakers in these hoes. But that'll be the fourth thing. I'm gonna get on to the fifth thing I dislike about my Charger now. Alright y'all, so the fifth and the last thing I dislike about my Dodge Charger is just the interior. Like I done did some stuff to like headlights. I done put a bigger screen in it. Cause if y'all do have a Pursuit, y'all know it come with the little ass 5.4 inch screen. but I don't like this middle console. I actually had a good spec Dodge Charger Pursuit, because mine had door handles in the back, as y'all probably can't see, but I have door handles in the back, in the front, the back lock and all that, because some Pursuits don't have any of that. But I don't like how this I don't like this whole thing, and it's not loose because I tightened it up, but it had a cup holder right here. The whole thing then fell off though. But I don't like the Dodge Charger Pursuit interior. Like, the other ones come kind of better to me. They kind of all look the same in a sense, but they are all the same. It's just the move shifters and different center console. But that'd be the fifth thing I dislike, man. It's not too much I don't like about my car. I do have videos on them. I'll pop one up right here if y'all want to see everything that I've done to it. But yeah, so that was 5 things I dislike about my Dodge Charger Pursuit. If you guys have a Pursuit as well, and y'all have some things that I showed in this video, or y'all don't have some of the things that I showed in this video, let me know down below, and then let me know if y'all made a video and I'll check y'all out. But yeah, so that was the 5 things I dislike about my Charger. I recorded this video on Thanksgiving, so if it's Thanksgiving where you are, or if you celebrate Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. And also, if you see this after Thanksgiving, happy late Thanksgiving. Or if you even see this later than November 23rd, 2023, man, I appreciate you for watching, and happy whatever holiday it is, man. But that'll be the end of this video. This is 𝘤𝘩𝘪𝘴. Yeah. Make sure y'all check out all my other videos, man. I'm gonna pop some up on the screen for y'all. But yeah, so this 𝘤𝘩𝘪𝘴, I'm out. I love y'all.